Well, hello guys. I'm waking up now. It's too early. I will repair a lot of quadcopters today, and this is the first job in English that I make some repairs. In this channel, it's impossible to do lives because I have no agreed number of followers. But anytime it will be possible. I will start my job with this quadcopter. It's arrived here at the last day. It's very damaged. I need to find the owner because there's nothing. There's no letter. There's nothing to find. There's no talk with the owner. It's a problem that I live here day by day. There's no phone. Well, nothing. I only have the day when the owner sent this quadcopter. I need to look in my cell phone if I find first for discover what's happening with this quadcopter. Every day the same problem here. I have a lot of drones here, and the owner thinks that is the only quadcopter that I will receive. Let me see. People are too difficult here. Really. Let me see if I find the owner. No. No. I receive every day almost 1,000 messages in my cell phone. And it's too difficult to find the owners because the people don't send nothing. Well, no, there's nothing. I will repair the quadcopter without no information. Nothing. Let me see again because I need to find the owner of this quadcopter. Too difficult. The people have no organization. No. 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 Well, oh, I think that I found the owner. Let me see. On a minute.
Bom dia, Lito. Eu tenho um drone Kf102.
Yes.
Eu tava voando com ele ontem.
It was flying.
Aí eu tava filmando a lagoa aqui na roça. Aí do nada ele entrou. Eu pulei dentro da lagoa e peguei
The
ele.
quadcopter was falling down into the water.
Entendeu? Quando eu tirei da lagoa, ele entrou em parafuso. Aí fui ver uma hélice dele, tinha quebrado.
A motor damaged.
Soltado, nem quebrado, tinha soltado. Parece que soltou. fez a reposição, parece não, aí ele liga e tal, tu passa o secador nele, balancei ele,
The owner
e tal, mas quando eu tento colocar ele para voar, uma das pernas traseiras dele tá tipo pesada, que eu fui trocar.
Okay, the quadcopter was fallen down into the water. The owner left out of the water, have made something in your house, and then turn it on again and try it to fly. Well, if a quadcopter is fallen in the water, you can't turn on again. You need to left at the same time to a professional for repair the quadcopter. This is our first job for today. The owner thought that the quadcopter is functioning, but I want my function. I need to look all the places in this quadcopter, find any place damaged. Here I know that it's damaged in the gimbal. The gimbal is impossible to work. There is a small piece here damaged. It's the first thing I need to repair. I will show to you, but it's possible to see here. I will left close to my body because my shirt is black. All a minute here, out of my body. Look. You have here the major thing. When a quadcopter is falling down into the water, you can't turn on again. Only after make all the look in every place, looking for any small piece damaged. Let's go. Let's go. And then, when I discover all the damaged things, I need to find the great solution for anyone. When I turn off a connection, I need also to left the connection by the same place. Anytime when people try to repair a quadcopter in your own house, when turn off anything, have some difficulty for replace that thing. Look here. Where's the glass? Here. Look. Here out of my body, we have two sides. And if you change the side, you will burn your small piece. It's possible to burn your gimbal, and then there's no image generation, there's no stabilization, there's nothing. And you will burn your Wi-Fi module. Terrible. Terrible. Well, I know that. Gimbal is too damaged here. I will replace. I need to replace, but careful because anything, don't let the piece free. Anything here, don't let the piece free. Okay, I need to discover why. And I've discovered when it was falling down, the water damaged the way to move. Look, here the motor. This motor is damaged too. I know. I'm right that it's damaged. Okay, I will replace. I need to do a grit wash here. And I need to make everything for function again. Gimbal, is a part so special because we need here the perfection in everything. Image generation, move, stabilization. Look, listen and look. Bad, too bad. I will repair this part and left perfect. If the gimbal has some difficulties for do any move, well, it's possible repair. No, I need to open because the quadcopter was falling down into water. I need to look if the gimbal has some difficulties or have something here wrong. Bad. Too bad. Well, I will start with a good wash here, and then I will repair the motor, left this gimbal perfect for move and stabilization. I need after make a repair in the board, the main board of the quadcopter, and then I think that it will be perfect. Let's go. Well, I was kidding the people in my other Facebook. I talked that the quadcopter there's no repair, and they are thinking that I'm now training, but I'm here solving this quadcopter. Trying to left the quadcopter good again. The second motor is damaged. I know. And I'm trying to repair. Too bad. This drone is very damaged. I'm happy for repair a lot of things here. Let me see now if the motor work. It's difficult for make it. I need to be careful. It's now. This part is difficult. It's now. Well, the motor was perfect, but I damaged it yet. Let's go. I make again. bad. Now I think it's too difficult. It's now. Bad. It seems perfect now. Let me see again. Woo! The motor is perfect. I need to protect now. Oh, I need to use the element. Let me see again. The motor is perfect. Let's go. Now, let me see if the gimbal is hardly to work. Or if it's dead. Only when the gimbal has conditions for all the motors work, we have a good stabilization. Gimbal is perfect. Wait. Only the process and it will start the stabilization system. Okay, gimbal perfect. On a minute and it will be safe for work. I think that is no condition for buying because I'm too late. I need to start again. Gimbal is starting to work, but there's no bind. No, there's no bind. I need to wait some minutes. The battery. Oh, okay. We have bind and we have gimbal move. It's bad now, but we have gimbal move. I need to do something for left this gimbal. Look, gimbal move. But here, look, we have only a few moment, only a small move here in the gimbal. I need to make the gimbal perfect, and I need to turn on again. It was very damaged. I don't need to fix anymore. I only need to left the gimbal perfect for move now. And I will be. And I will make. All the motors need a perfect stabilization for work. There's a place when the gimbal is at the perfect place for job, and I need to try to find this place. Well, look now, the perfect move. A gimbal only work with perfection if all the motors are free for job. Let me see. It's doing the calibration on a minute. We need to wait some minutes for the gimbal start the job. In a minute it will be good. We need to wait some minutes. Well, now I think that the gimbal is perfect for job. Let me see. The gimbal only work if have good conditions all the time for function free the motors. Now I'm going to do some exercise. I need to eat something. I'm so hungry. On a minute, the gimbal is starting the job. Gimbal is perfect. Now it's possible to work with perfection without these two lights. Look. Wonderful. Okay, the quadcopter now is safe. This is the first job, and I need to walk some minutes for arrive at the academy to make some things. I will finish this job in this day, and I will finish this small video, this first video. I think that it's in the small, but I will come back and then I make fly this quadcopter a hill. In a minute, I'm coming back now.